Welcome to Auto Pulse Media, your go-to hub for the latest in automotive innovation, detailed reviews, and cutting-edge vehicle tech. In this video, we dive into the all-new 2026 BRD Shark 6, a vehicle that's turning heads and redefining what power means in the modern performance car segment. This is more than just a launch, it's a statement by BRD that they're ready to push the envelope on speed, style, and technological dominance. The Shark 6 roars onto the scene with a bold design and a highly aggressive stance. It carries an aerodynamic silhouette that's clearly been fine-tuned in the wind tunnel for both high-speed performance and fuel efficiency. The front grille is sharper and more angular than its predecessor, flanked by ultra-slim LED headlamps that give it an unmistakable presence on the road. The sculpted bodywork flows seamlessly into a tapered rear end with a sporty diffuser and quad exhaust setup, giving it a look that blends luxury and menace. Under the hood, the 2026 BRD Shark 6 boasts an insane amount of power. It's equipped with a newly developed 4.2-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that generates a staggering 720 horsepower and 800 Nm of torque. This setup allows the car to sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.1 seconds, making it one of the fastest machines in its class. BRD has paired this engine with a lightning-quick 9-speed automatic transmission and a refined all-wheel drive system, ensuring power is delivered smoothly and efficiently to all four wheels. The performance enhancements don't stop there. BRD has fitted the Shark 6 with adaptive air suspension that adjusts in real time based on driving conditions, offering both comfort during daily drives and razor-sharp handling when pushed to its limits. High-performance carbon ceramic brakes ensure that the vehicle can come to a halt just as quickly as it accelerates, adding another layer of safety and control. Inside the cabin, the BRD Shark 6 continues to impress. The interior is a mix of luxury and sportiness, with high-grade materials like Alcantara, brushed aluminum, and genuine carbon fiber. The dashboard features a curved digital display that seamlessly merges the instrument cluster and infotainment system into a single panoramic screen. It's powered by BRD's latest infotainment software, which includes wireless connectivity, AI-assisted voice control, real-time navigation, and an immersive surround sound system developed in collaboration with a premium audio brand. Comfort and technology go hand in hand here. The Shark 6 includes features like ventilated and massaging seats, a customizable ambient lighting system, and even a heads-up display that projects key driving data onto the windshield. Safety tech includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, a 360-degree camera system, and Bird's new predictive collision avoidance system, making this car not only fast but also incredibly smart. BRD also makes a strong move towards sustainability with this model. The Shark 6 uses recycled materials in its construction and includes an optional mild hybrid setup to improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions without compromising performance. The company has announced that this version meets the latest Euro 7 emission standards, placing it among the cleanest performance cars on the market today. Whether you're a speed enthusiast, a tech lover, or someone who simply appreciates a beautifully crafted vehicle, the 2026 BRD Shark 6 offers something for everyone. It's bold, powerful, and packed with features that truly justify the hype around its launch. With performance figures that challenge supercars and a feature list that brings it firmly into the future, the Shark 6 stands as one of the most complete vehicles BRD has ever built. If you enjoyed this review and want more detailed insights into the latest car releases, make sure to hit the like button, share the video with fellow auto lovers, and don't forget to subscribe to Auto Pulse Media for more high-octane content coming your way.